I'm sexy and I know it. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
A report in November found there could be hundreds, if not thousands, of corrupt officers serving in England and Wales. Since doing similar. A man's been arrested after reports of a sexual assault in Bournemouth. A woman was pushed up against £8,000. Take back control. ATH Financial can help you.
No, it's not Grandpa we wind, it was Daddy. Because the car was in the lane. Oh, they're pretty mountains. Aren't we have one for the garden?
Yeah.
Only so big.
Think of all the frogs.
Yeah,
Think of all the frogs. I could have stayed in the same bloody lane. Stupid. Yeah. Well, that actually happened. But he drives off.
Smashed his back windscreen. Silly drive.
Don't worry about it. I can't go that way. I can't go that way.